told them that. Gonna fill us out. Gonna document, get some more patents and things of that nature to see what's available to the public. And I'll book on that. Couple different things. I'll fill it out. There's no medical records at all. No, it's not medical records. It's full. Yes, it's full. I have it. If I want a medical record, I'm gonna fill out fully. That's about it. Like I said, apologize on their behalf for you to call you guys. I it's public assessment areas. Haven't been anything nefarious. Don't have any intent. Just want to be able to exercise my rights unmolested. And by the way. No. If you spend you want to file my order, I can make the bill. That's it. I'm definitely. Well, I'm not gonna leave it to you guys. I mean, you guys just can't kick me out of here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Obviously, you guys should get back to work. That's exactly what I'm going to do, but I don't need you guys to babysit me in terms of me waiting for me to fill out a form to document the bill. What's the purpose? Well, you can't trespass me from the public building. Minus a crime. Well, if you look at, I was talking about the Illinois power statute, right? You know what? Real quick. So you have an ordinance. You have an ordinance in terms of trespass. To public property. What does that mean? No, because I was going to go ready to convey the statute to you instead. To be you're going to say that's correct. Mm-hmm. Supersedes the state statute. Oh, okay. Okay. It doesn't mirror. Okay, because 720 ILCS 521 states that you can't trespass on public property during normal business hours. Public buildings open to the public. So, I mean, if you're gonna, that's the law. I have a right to do this. Like I said, I'm a First Amendment right. If you guys want to wage war on rights today, then that's okay. Obviously, these young ladies here wanted me to leave. So if you guys ever talk to them, let me just put you on notice real quick, Officer Peterson. All right, am I able to finish? Right quick. So I'm not able to finish. Okay, but I'm saying you cut me off though. That's rude.
You know the statute for disorderly conduct.
Can I finish first?
That's my question.
I will. Can I finish? Okay, what I was gonna say is after you guys have a conversation with them and you guys continue to try to kick me out, you're gonna be in direct violation of 18 USC 241 and 242. Okay? You're definitely gonna be in it because you guys are acting under color of law. So if you use threats and intimidation as an instrument to obstruct my rights, you're going to be in violation of the Constitution. Well, you came up with trespass and arrest and all that, so that is a threat.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Okay.
You know the statute for disorderly conduct.
You tell me.
Okay. When you alarm or disturb someone, you commit disorderly conduct.
So me recording can be alarming and disturbing someone?
Correct.
So the Supreme Court has already ruled that you can't convert a constitutionally protected activity into a crime. You just can't. You can't. I mean, if you guys are unsure, Officer Peterson, respectfully. Yeah, I just told you. Yeah, but
your own time, their time, our time.
No, I'm not wasting anyone's time. I'm the one that's being harassed, sir.
You're not being harassed.
Yes, I am, because now we have armed guards here trying to enforce your will on something that's constitutionally protected. Some you swore to.
Fill that out, leave it, and
That's exactly what I'm going to do. That's precisely what I'm going to do.
we're gonna make them feel comfortable by staying here. So if you fill it out, then we can all leave together.
Well, Officer Anderson, respectfully, it's not about making them feel comfortable. It's about you upholding the oath you took, sir. Oh, it's no, it's not.
Because they're not comfortable.
So them being comfortable is more, it supersedes your oath. I'm just asking. Because you swore to uphold the Constitution. Okay, I'm part of the public, and I'm exercising a right.
If you just want to be cooperative and fill it out, and we'll live happily ever after.
That's correct.
You have an ID?
No, I don't just provide ID minus crime.
What's your name?
James, same thing I told you.
James?
That's correct.
What's your last name?
I'm not gonna give my last name. I don't think that I have to. I haven't done anything illegal. If you guys, maybe you guys are not sure, and I can understand that because we all human beings.
Most people be cooperative, they'll fill it out and get out of here.
I mean,
You don't wanna be cooperative.
so I'm being uncooperative by just exercising my right. Come on, Officer Peterson, that's just.
We can move this real quick. Just fill it out, leave it here, take whatever pamphlets you want, leave it right.
You're absolutely correct, but you know what also you can do, Officer Peterson, is if you convey to them young ladies, this young man is doing nothing illegal. He's gonna fill out his paperwork and he's gonna leave. Why can't you guys just do that? That's simple. You're harassing someone that, well, it's kind of sort of, sir.